Hello everybody! Welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time you're here, we welcome you and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy our content and I hope you are interested in our weekly giveaway. Then, if you do, please click the button down below and join us here. Subscribe and comment for extra entries so that you can win our giveaway. Today, I changed things around again for you guys. Instead of having 4 baskets, I only have 3 baskets this week. You know why? There are 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is because I couldn't figure out another theme. I have a theme that is skincare, and then the makeup, and then KBeauty. And then the second reason is because that instead of spreading things out in 4 baskets, I put more stuff in each basket. So maybe 3 should be enough. I didn't even know why I started with 4 baskets. I think that was very just random fun. Either way, so I hope you like this idea and have a different separate concept and theme in these different baskets. Since I only have 3 baskets, I just want to show you what is sitting inside there, you know, like briefly. You can take a quick look and then I will highlight a single product in here that I really like before. You know, like in basket number 1, I just want to highlight this one. This is a Jack Black. The brand is called Jack Black. I don't know if you guys heard of this before. I bought this from Sephora. It's to help to decongest your pores, just to there is an ultra fine bamboo power to sweeps away your pore clogging buildup. So that's why I bought it. I really wanted to try it mainly because I like what I'm seeing. The ingredient in there is with vitamin C and mint. Now, a word of caution, even though this brand, if you go online, they kind of have a lot of things for men, you know, but I still use their lip balm. It was pretty good lip balm, and I also really wanted to try this one. But the reason that I give it away is because now that I am using a lot of chemical exfoliant, AHA, BHA, I bought more AHA and BHA products. So I really don't think I will get to this exfoliant, physical exfoliation. I don't think I will get to it. If you guys have congested issue, pore issue that you want to try on a skin buff, then this one will work. But when you read in the back, it kind of says that using it for aftershave, clearly that is for guys, not for us. Reviews actually said that it's a pretty gentle, it's a very effective face polish product. And then the other things that I put in here, this is a skincare basket. Remember, it's all about your skincare. It's the Glam Glow, and this is a daily exfoliating cleanser. Again, I probably haven't said that in a few videos now, but exfoliation is one of the key major essential critical factor to have good skin. Exfoliation. This is a daily exfoliating cleanser. It's from mud to foam. Glam Glow. We come to basket number 2. This basket is really a makeup basket. I put a lot of makeup products in there. Face, eye, lips, you know, and all that, you know, tools all in there. It's all about your makeup. So if you love makeup, this would have your name on it. Becca, really, it's a very good brand. I feel that this is a very, very good makeup brand, Becca. But this one, it's a luminous blush. I really, really like their face product, Becca. So it has a cover on top of it, but it has a mirror inside. And the blush color is so beautiful. If you like nothing else in this basket, this one product, it's worth it. It's worth your time, trust me. It's so pretty. I am so tempted to keep it for myself, but can you see the blush? It is very, very pretty. Inspired by the Becca's best-selling shimmering skin perfector, and this lustrous blush creates a flush of radiant color in a range of delicate feminine shades. Wear it on its own or over a blush as a topper. And then the other Becca product, it's actually, what is it? Oh, it's a First Light Priming Filler. Okay, so this is not a full-size product. This is just a little baby sample for you to try on. Oh, kind of wrecked the box a little bit. Sorry about that. Right? Yeah. All right. So this one. It is. I have a full size sitting here myself. Right. Yeah, so I use it. It is pretty good. I like the fact that it has a little bit of a lavender shade, because you know the purple, the lavender shade can brighten up all your sallows or the dull skin. You know, I have like deeper colors around my mouth here, forehead over there, between my brows, over those area. Purple works really good, really well. So that is that primer. And then the other little product, just because these are sample products, so I put more in it. And then the other sample product is this my favorite, many people's favorite, Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. You know, so that's your powder in there. So that's your backer. And then I have NARS in there, I have NYX, I have Wet n Wild, I have Revlon. So those are your makeup. The last basket, like I told you, it's KBeauty. I want to highlight a couple of things that I've never shown you before, like KBeauty. It has skincare and makeup in there. Let's show you the makeup product. Look, I have one using, it is so cute, and then I bought another one and to give it away for you. So I won't touch your brand new product, but I can show you the one that I am using. This is so cute, right? This has panda. When you open it, there is a mirror in there, and then there is a two-tone coral. Actually, I used a little bit of it today. It's a cream, good for your cheek, good for your lip. You can mix them together or use them separately. You ended up have 3 different shades in here. So I think I love this thing. I use this pretty much. That's why I just like put it right here. I put it right here. Did I tell you this is from Tony Moly Dual Lip and Cheek? Yeah. Alright, so that was that. And then I also throw in another little baby sample skincare. This is a glow recipe. Everybody, you guys love it. Watermelon glow sleeping mask, but this is just like a little bit, probably good for you, maybe 3 to 4 days you use it up, this little sample, put it in, right? And then I also put back the OK hydrating serum mist. I also put in some Misha product in there, COSRX. All right, so those are your KBeauty products in your basket number 3. All right, so now we're going to go to the most exciting part. This is we need to draw our winner for this Friday weekly giveaway. Awesome Beauty community, and one of the Awesome Beauty subscribers, wonderful subscriber, huge supporter, is going to win. All right. Oh, I see. Oh, actually, I was picking this one, and I glanced in it, and I saw something that handwritten. So I tend to grab that one and drop this one, but I think that's unfair, right? So this is the first one I touched, so I really should stick with it. Don't touch it. Don't swap it. But okay. Anyway, see, that's why sometimes it's really I need to be very careful. Yeah, I need to be very careful. Anyway, all right. So our winner for this Friday. Today it's August. Every Friday, but this Friday, our winner, awesome subscriber, our supporter, always write us comments, has been here for a long time. Your name is Ashley Ann. Okay, let's just say, leave it that way. Ashley Ann. You know, she also has a channel, right? I watch her videos. And if you don't know, go check her out, because even though she doesn't do a lot of makeup, but I watched her channel, and also Nina, just Nina. It's because of them I went to my Dollar Tree and I found some great findings in makeup. It's really fun. I've already made a video of that and I will share that with you. But anyway, thank you so very much, Ashley, and also congratulations so much for subscribing to our channel. And in the past many months, you have been very supportive, watching all our videos and leaving us comments. I just want to thank you so much and congratulate Ashley Ann. Right? I rarely show this to you guys because it's just so small. I really don't think you guys can see it, but you know, sometimes it's my handwritten and then you won't even be able to see it. So I just usually don't bother to show you. But anyway, because this has her pictures on there, right? Okay, so thank you so much, everybody. Like I always say, come back next Friday, and then we will see another name put up here every Friday. So far, I don't know. We already done this for 1 year now. You know, 52 weeks. So I think our leadership of 50 beauty box to our awesome beauty subscribers. This is just awesome. All right, so thank you, thanks a million. Anyway, thank you so much everybody for supporting my channel. Come back next Friday and I'll see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to be the star of the show.